I don't have that time to wait for it because now I'm out of work and I'm the only one that was paying all the bills and doing everything. Now I ran out of money.
This case is a whirlwind of probation violations, financial collapse, and a desperate fight to stay out of jail. Monica Wycheck is back in front of the judge after testing positive for alcohol, something that might sound small on the surface, but in the world of probation, it's a serious breach. With one prior violation already on her record, this second slip could mean 10 days behind bars. Add to that the fact that she's out of work, her husband is unemployed, and the family is under crushing financial stress. And suddenly, this hearing isn't just about alcohol. It's about survival. The judge remembers more than just a failed test. There was also a high blood alcohol reading and even a crash involving a patrol car. The question hanging over this entire case is, will Monica's financial struggle and attempt at recovery earn her leniency, or is the court ready to send a tougher message? Stay tuned, because the stakes here are about to get real.
Monica Wycheck, 24G3059908.
Break the podium.
Yeah, Ms. Wycheck, you can come up here. Your name?
Monica Wycheck.
All right, so you have one prior violation. It is alleged you failed to refrain from consuming alcohol, testing positive September 16th of 25. You have one prior technical violation. You plead guilty here, you could get 10 days. Do you understand that? This would be your second technical violation. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Did you, and they think you tested positive on September 16th of 25. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Did you sign the advice of rights?
Yes.
Did you read it and understand it?
Yes.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights and there will not be a trial. Do you understand me? We won't have a hearing if you plead guilty. You understand that?
Yes.
Do you understand what I said? You have the right to a lawyer. If you cannot, I will appoint you one whether you can afford one or not right now. You want a lawyer.
Like a lawyer, just to explain myself.
We're going to give you a lawyer. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea. You're going to go meet with an attorney. And then I'm going to have, as soon as you're done talking to the lawyer, the two of you will come in here and I will conduct the hearing, or maybe
I understand that. Yeah.
all right. Go out in the hall. He'll set you up. Good luck. All right. I'm sorry. Recalling Monica Leanne Wycheck. 4G3059908. All right, ma'am. Your name again?
Wycheck.
Detective.
Sure, what next about Monica
I mean,
Watson?
am I saying
This
detective?
is Ms. Testino's case. She's also here on one of the Zoom matters, Mr. Sharp there.
All right. So we need to call Emily in. If you plead guilty, she said she's going to plead guilty, right?
Yes.
If you plead guilty here, ma'am, you could get 10 days. Do you understand that? Did you sign the advice of rights form? Did you read it and understand it? If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights and there will not be a hearing or a trial. Do you understand that? Nice and loud for me. To the charge you failed to refrain from consuming alcohol, testing positive on a chemical test on September 16 of 25, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Did you drink alcohol within the 3 days before them?
Yes.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
Oh,
I'm going to accept your plea. Where did you drink at?
I know.
With who? I'm going to accept your plea. All right. Did somebody call Emily? Good. What do you want to tell me?
Judge, I think she was within 10 days of being off probation. She and her husband are both out of work. They've got extreme financial stress. And they've got
What we just heard adds a whole new layer of complexity. Monica wasn't simply caught drinking. She was within days of finishing her probation, meaning she was almost free and clear when she slipped. That timing makes this mistake sting even more. On top of that, Her attorney highlights crushing financial pressure, both she and her husband out of work, struggling to stay afloat. It's a classic courtroom dilemma. How much do personal struggles explain or excuse probation violations? Viewers, what do you think? Should courts take financial stress and family hardships into account when deciding punishment? Or should rules be rules, no matter what? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because this is where justice meets real life and opinions often split.
Drain of everything with too much debt.
Me?
I'm on casino.
All right, what are we gonna do with her? Let me see the screening. Something reminded me. She was inpatient, and I believe this was the first offense, as I recall. She had a really, really high breathalyzer, blood draw, whatever the case may have been, as I recall. Could be wrong. Something else too, wasn't there? Something else bothered. There was an accident. Do you have the police report?
Okay.
He struck the back of the patrol car. I remember now. Okay. All right. Homie, talk to me. What are we gonna do with her?
So she's done everything. Really, she's just maintaining as far as meetings, treatment, and testing. I did just print her testing before I came in here, and she missed over the weekend on the 26th. So I didn't get a chance to amend the order.
She admits over the weekend
She
she's
missed over the weekend. She missed chemical testing over the weekend.
Oh, I didn't know that. I've been doing it for 15 months. I didn't even know. I usually do. I
Friday, okay.
check in the line.
you're still working, right? What happened?
Oh, I got let go.
Not as a result of this.
Let go on August 13th. I was trying to pull on as long as I could, but I got my husband to get back to work, and it's kind of bleeding me.
What's going on with, why'd they let you go?
Well, I've been working 13, 14 hours a day for the last 10 months. I don't get home to 3. I haven't been home for my kids or anything. They have like a point system, so I've been coming in late, and they just haven't let me go, but they told me if I put in my 2 weeks notice that they can rehire me, but it's like a different director and all this stuff, so I don't have that time to wait for it, because now I'm out of work and I'm the only one that was paying all the bills and doing everything. Now I ran out of money. So that's why I'm trying to.
Is DNA open? You're going to okay, hang on a second, just slow down. I'm accepting your plea. I'm handing you this back. I want you to go test the DNA today. Okay, you're gonna test the DNA today. What's that? Oh, this.
Yes, thank you.
You're gonna test the DNA today. And then you're gonna come back for sentencing, all right?
Here's where the judge makes a critical move. Instead of sentencing immediately, he orders Monica to take a DNA test that same day, with sentencing postponed to October 6th. Because in probation cases, Judges often want updated, verifiable results before locking in a final decision. It's a way to give the defendant one last chance to show compliance or to expose ongoing problems. Notice the balance here. The court is acknowledging Monica's hardships, but also keeping her accountable under strict supervision. It's not just about punishment, it's about monitoring progress and deciding if rehabilitation is still possible. This is a textbook example of how probation hearings often straddle the line between second chances and consequences.
Where is the registered there? Okay, so defendant to test today. When is Mr. Haynes here again? When can we set this sentence for?
October 27th at 8:30.
Actually, I don't have anything earlier than that.
Your next probation day is a holiday.
Jeez.
There are other days when I'm here,
Yeah, give me a date when you're here.
17th. I figure out next week on the 6th, doing the arrangements.
We'll have the test back by then. October 6th at 8:30. Okay? Yeah.
Someone can fill us, it's not a big deal.
Yeah, October 6th at 8:30. Okay? All right, thank you.
Do you want her to continue to, do you want to change your testing at all or leave it as it?
No, just leave it as it is. We're gonna see what happens. I'm off on Friday. All right, go test today. We'll see what we're gonna do. Just relax, one day at a time, okay?
So let's break this down. Monica Wycheck entered this courtroom facing her second probation violation for alcohol use. The judge reminded her she could face 10 days in jail, but instead of immediate sentencing, the court took a more measured approach, ordering additional testing and delaying the decision until October 6th. This shows how courts weigh not just the violation itself, but also context, financial stress, job loss, family struggles, and prior history. Monica's case reflects the larger question of probation. Is it about punishment, or is it about rehabilitation? Time will tell whether the judge leans toward leniency or a harsher stance when sentencing day comes. If you found this case as shocking and thought-provoking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns just like this one.